Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations given that f of 5x plus f of 2x equals x squared plus x. And what is f of x? So let's solve this by considering the solutions. So we're given the questions f of 5x plus f of 2x equals x squared plus x. So now we are going to solve this in a general way. So here we have a quadratic and here is just x. So which means x squared takes the highest priority. Then we are going to solve this in a general way, and we are not going to assume that since this is a quadratic, we assume a general solution of quadratic. But let's make this general. So we have these different domains. Here is 5x and here is 2x. Suppose I assume, let's say we have f of x equals am, then x raised to the power of m, plus we have m minus 1, x raised to the power of m minus 1. So this continues like this, depend on the number of power that we are given. And since we have x squared plus x, so we are going to consider the highest power of this x, which is 2. So which means every single m starts from 2, then it keeps decreasing to the last number. So here we have our new f of x equals, here we have a2 x raised to the power of 2 plus, here we have a2 minus 1 x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. So we keep going till we reach the a naught. So 2 minus 1, that gives us 2, that gives us 1. Then we still need a naught. We are going to have plus a2 minus 1 x raised to the power of 2. We have a2 minus 2, the next one. So 2 minus 2. So on getting this, we have f of x. So this equals a2 x raised to the power 2 plus a1 x raised to the power of 1 plus a0 x raised to the power of 0. So this is where we are going to stop this. Then we are going to find f of 5x and f of 2x. So to start with the smallest, so suppose we change this x to 2x, we have f of 2x equals a2 into bracket of 2x raised to the power 2 plus a1 into bracket of 2x raised to the power 1 plus a0 into bracket of 2x raised to the power of 0. Then we have 2 raised to the power 2, that gives us 4. Then here is a2 x raised to the power 2 as well by rule of indices. Then plus, also we consider this as 2 a2 a1 x raised to the power 1 plus a0. Any number raised to the power 0, it gives us 1. So this is what we have for f of 2x. Then let's find f of 5x. So repeating the same process, we have f of 5x equals, here we are going to have a2 into bracket of 5x raised to the power 2 plus a1 into bracket of 5x raised to the power 1, then plus a0. So here we have 25 a2 x raised to the power 2 plus 5 a1 x raised to the power 1 plus a0. So since we have gotten f of 2 and f of 5x and f of 2x, so let's try and add the two together and equate it to x squared plus x. So for the first one, so this implies that for f of 5x, we have 25a2x squared. And for f of 2x, we have it as 4a2x squared. By adding this together, we are going to have 29a2x squared plus, also we have the power of 1, the degree of 1. So for both 5x and 2x. So by adding that together, we have 7a1x raised to power 1, then plus 2a0. This equals x squared plus x. And by comparing the coefficients, so we have x squared here, and here we have x raised to power 1. There is no constant value, so we have to reject this because what is equivalent to here is 0, so it later becomes 0. So we only let 29a2x squared equals x squared, and also we have 7a1x raised to power 1 equals x raised to power of 1. So comparing the coefficients, we are going to have a2 equals 1 divided by 29, and we have a1 equals 1 divided by 7. So this is for a2 and a1. Then let's try and substitute back into f of x that we have to get a1 and a2 replaced. Since we have gotten a2 and a1, replacing it here will be easy. We have f of x equals a2 is given as 1 divided by 29. Then we have x squared plus a1 is given as 1 over 7 x raised to power 1 plus a0 is nothing, and we consider it as just 0. So therefore, the final answer for f of x is given as 1 over 29x squared plus 1 over 7x raised to power 1. Then we are going to check if this is correct. So we need to check here, since what we are given is f of 5x plus f of 2x equals x squared plus x. Let's try and find f of 5x here. So here we have 5x raised to power of 2 divided by 29 plus, also we have 5x divided by 7. So this is for f of 5x plus, also f of 2x. We have 2x raised to power 2 divided by 29 plus, we have the second one, 2x over 7. I want to see if this equals x squared plus x. So definitely it's going to be equal because this gives us 25x squared over 29. Plus this also having x squared, and we have this as 4x squared over 29. Plus also we have 5x over 7 plus 2x over 7. So the whole of this gives us 29x squared over 29 plus 7x squared over 7. So 29 cancel 29 and 7 cancel 7. We will get x squared plus x. And that is the final answer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.